In this video, I will show you how you can change the profile photo of your Apple ID on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Now to do this, first of all, just go to Settings, then tap on your Apple ID. From here, just tap on your profile photo. Now if you scroll down, you can select what you want to set as the photo of your Apple ID. You can select an emoji, a monogram, an emoji, or you can select a photo. Just tap on Photo, then select Photo Library. Now from the Photos app, just select the photo which you want to set as the photo for your Apple ID. After you select the photo, you can tap on the crop button to adjust the photo. And once you have done that, then tap on Done and select Choose. Tap on Done and select the contact poster. And after you do that, you will change the profile photo of your Apple ID. But in some cases, after you change the profile photo, it will not be updated. As you can see, I have changed the profile photo of our Apple ID, but it has not been updated yet. Now, if you're facing this issue, then just go to your home screen and open Safari. Now, in the search bar, just search this. Now, from here, just sign into your Apple ID. Just tap on Sign In. Tap on Sign In with passcode. Then enter your lock screen passcode. Now after you do that, you will sign into your Apple ID. Now from here, just tap on the profile icon at the upper right corner on the screen and select iCloud settings. From here, just scroll down and under Photo, just tap on Change Apple Account Photo. Now after you arrive on this page, then just go to your home screen and open the Photos app. Now in the Photos app, just select the photo which you want to set as the photo for your Apple ID. Now for example, I will select this photo. Now just drag this photo. Then swipe up from the bottom of the screen and go to the Recent Apps section. Now just go back to Safari. Now just simply drop the photo over here. And after you do that, you will be able to adjust the photo from here. And once you're done adjusting the photo, just tap on Save Changes. Now, if you go to your home screen and if you open Settings, you will see that we have successfully changed the profile photo of our Apple ID. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.